guys, so I got a main line here, Daiwa. So I choose 6 pounds, at least maximum 6 pounds when putting the ultralight setup. So please comments below if you use this before and how strong is it. So, and I got also for my leader line is Daiwa as well, at least 8 pounds. So, okay, stay tuned. I'm gonna put it to my 1000 fishing reel. Okay guys, so this one now. So this one, the main line and the leader, I put it already. So look how beautiful is it. So I'm gonna put now to our ultralight fishing rod. Then okay, now I gotta sit up, and this time I can use my all micro lure. So I have this before. I already have this before, and I just hide it. So now this time I can use this one, all the small one. So at least ultralight can use depend the rating of your fishing rod. But for me, I can use the 5 to 7 grams, including the jig here. This one. It's here. So that's how you set up your ultralight rod, guys, and hope you learned something new to my channel. Thank you, and also thank you very much for always support my video, and please stay tuned and subscribe, like, share, press the bell button for those who didn't subscribe yet, and always remember, keep safe and share your knowledge to other people. Thank you, and bye bye.